you're looking for clothesline installation in the southern Sydney area, please feel free to visit Lifestyle Clotheslines, as we have a team of expert clothesline installers in the southern Sydney area that are here to help you out. We offer all the leading brands including Hills, Austral, City Living and Versaline, to name just a few, and have a big selection of clotheslines and accessories such as waterproof clothesline covers, basket holders and a big selection of portable indoor and outdoor clothes areas. So if you live in that southern Sydney area and need help with choosing the right clothesline or washing line for your needs, please feel free to give us a call today on 1300 798 779 or visit us online at lifestyleclotheslines.com.au. We're here to help.